Hey, yo, what's this?
The Steamroller Squadron.
Oh my god, bro, I'm one shot.
Why am I on the
Montage.
How you gonna do that to me? I thought we were brothers. You gonna put me on this?
Montage.
That's a disgrace.
I beat cheated on.
Hey, these diamonds, they shining. Came from Johnny. It ain't never been too hard to find me. All this ice got me changing my climate. Bought this car to switch on my time.
I was like, oh, say less.
Fatality.
Every op shot. Got chase on me. Like what? Niggas know what the fuck going on. Like every op fucking dead. Like. Nobody was dead. How the fuck y'all niggas don't care? Oh, I forgot. Sanji's red when we spinning that block. Everybody got dead. We going to the limb. The Vatos got like 3-4 dads. Probably 2 got hair in the head, but it don't even matter cause all of them dead. Flock 'em. We tryna put in the bed. I'm big deal waiting out for kids. Don't mix me with nothing cause everything dead. Our niggas gon' die for talking no mans. So you know we gon' talk about Max. Nigga ride around with no gun in the band. Got booked for the knocks. And the best, but I know I ain't never gon' call like Max. Mr. gon' call with the tech. 1-4's move, niggas know the rest. We don't stop us. We don't step. We gon' even start walking up the steps. You a rookie. I'm a vet. What the fuck you ever did for yourself? 3 ops got hair in they head. And I been told niggas stop tapping they neck. Hey, wait. What the fuck is a sweeper? If I could just sweep it, then I'm a sweeper. Bitch, he told me our G-pop died, but we ain't gon' talk what that mean. Every day, I ride with my Nina. Hoppo, 6 shots. We the ones doing them hits. Like what? Y'all niggas is scared. We gon' knock on your door cause you know when you lay. Get active. Nigga chase my boat and know he ain't passing the vantage. Try to step out to make us go back. Always keep it on us. Why the fuck you hiding? Ayo, Blake, loose on the whip. We tryna see you right there on that strip. If you post to the lamper, give him 6 and he talking the LV. Then it's clip. Folks mad, I smoke next Blake. That nigga dummy got hit with a shotgun. Blue Blake got hand in the shit. That nigga died, should've seen how they drop him. Ayo, Thunder, what do you think? Spin through the duck, ain't nobody gon' know. Who the fuck is the ass that call? Last bottle, drop him, ready to throw. Tired of niggas capping, but they not. Circle they block, let them shop. I'm with TG, we on hot, too deep. 4 knocks, we don't need no reload, nigga, just watch. We on feet, circle the block, ain't nobody outside. So nobody got dropped, somebody outside, somebody get flopped. On the Sav, niggas pussy, these on my dick, always tryna book me. Old blast, eat up with a hoodie, and my slip. Always full act green bean when I'm feeling good. Pop a perk, sipping my, I don't fear nobody. What the fuck, we can link it wherever, I'm bringing my guns. Don't tell the let's spit through the 8. Fuck them, drop them, right on his face. Fuck that, we gon' spit through the 8. For the shot, I be running my lips, okay. Got shot 3 times, why you think it's a game? That can never be me, I'm a demon. I don't get back, for no reason. Same thing, pop out, get even. GG, baby, big deal away. 5 to the 7, better stay out the way. When I'm on the drill, I don't play, bro, pass me the knock. I'm a flame, or I'm coming solo. Either way, guarantee somebody getting flamed. What about those dying? Like that, so Lucci, Dusky, punching my brain. Hey, yo, Brizo, why you sucking my dick? You got shot, still ain't do shit. Never ran into me like some bro shit. Tryna bet through the door, but I still want to split. Try to go headshot, got a shot, go split. Ride brains in the seat, in a whip, I'ma chasing the T's. Tryna blitz, like TG, my logo ain't ready to split. That's only, let me out to the 8, from the Mitch, straight to the gates. Went to the back, better stay in lane. How you dropping the bomb? You was fucking the gate, tryna catch me a 6-0, but ain't late. 30 shots in the blick.
Are you serious right now, bro? Like, are you serious right now?
Nigga, let's play. Scotty got punched up, LB. You see G's pop out, let's play. My circle's a sweeper, all them niggas down. Me and TG tryna come around. 30 rounds just tryna shoot him down. He tryna roll, but he hearing that sound. We spinning the teeth, looking for the head. In the first we catch, he not getting fat. He shooting, he not aiming at the bow. But that JB season get put in the box. Shots fired, I heard that boy in the ground. He got shot in his up, and he still got pronounced. Nigga dead, now I'm swinging deep out, he should've fled. Talking to a Nazi, niggas ass. Nice for the dude, Dutch on the knock over ass. I'ma hang out the window, I'm giving out last. If he tryna get cold shots, put him to bed. Spin it with the fat, if they drop it inside. Spin the gas, you know we see his fat. Everybody wanna see that wet, nigga. G-pop, 5 to the 7, DOA. Like Clifford Nas, like Clifford Chip, OGC. Like, y'all know what's up, nigga. Like, zero with me, like, GG with me. Like, chase with me, bow, bow, bow.
Grah. Look, I'm on the block, I feel like Siakam, dreadhead demon, we all know I'm a problem. Off this trap, I bet you I'm a flop. Keep wanting to have it, y'all don't gotta cock it. Click it, TC, I'm dropping. 80 side, baby, I would never drop it. When I pack up, we all know what's next. Green beam on him, aiming at his chest. In the streets, bitch, I pass like a test. Niggas be pussy, they don't want no rap.
I'ma order, put the beam on his neck. Got 32 shots, I click it to his death. We go, can't run from this tech. I got some shit to clear for the whole chest. I've been hauling with knocks in the west, but it's WS time, we don't aim at the leg. When I start the door, niggas better run. Every gun I got coming with a drum. Shit is on my waist, niggas must be dumb. Sliding with the 80C, we'll let them one.
Fly Uda drilling in some fashion, mirror the denim, holding on my ratchet. 32 shots, call it chop magic. No pop, I want it, I'ma have it. He got a chain, I want it, I'ma snatch it. I make movies, yeah, I love the action. I'm a Uda, I try, ain't passing. Can't back it out, I boom it through the jacket.
And if people listen, I'ma dump it. I cannot lag, I broke guts to the function. Only black and I'm ready to play, but they never outside. With my dolly, I'm clutching.
Ain't no team without me, bitch, I'm goated. Pass the dead niggas and I'm rolling. And you know I'm the sick, bitch, I'm rolling. 80s on hot, I cannot control it. I could quit rapping, I got motion. Like a waterfall, money flowing. I'm the one, yeah, I know that I'm chosen. Big gun, you ain't catching me loafing.
Big gun on me, but I'm ready to box. Up and clickable, pass me the chop. They be like, run while you move too high. Mess my name, bet somebody get dropped.
I'm on the block, I feel like Siakam, dreadhead demon. We don't know I'm a problem. Hop this chop, I bet you I'm a flop. Keep wanting to have it, y'all gotta cock it. Click it, TC, I'm dropping. 80 side, baby, I would never drop it. When I back up, we all know what's next. Green beam on him, aiming at his chest. In the streets, bitch, I pass like a test. Niggas be pussy, they don't want no rack. Niggas be pussy, they don't want no rack.
Sillyboys did it.